What up, fam? We're back at it again, working on my brother's truck again. It's 2014 GMC Sierra. So it's just another quick video about how we're servicing his vehicle. So basically he's at a refrigerant, so his AC is just blowing warm air, super hot. And you can see here, I got my apprentice here helping me out, my brother. So we're just gonna bring you along, just a quick video. I'm not gonna show you step by step because there's already videos on YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you what's going on. So we got here the new condenser. My brother got it, so you can see here it's nice and new. Looks really good. So the issue with the OEM, which has been people have been having the same issue, and on YouTube people have been stating the same reason. You can see right here, I'm gonna zoom in. You guys see the crack right here? That's where all the refrigerant was coming out. So I mean, this is something that GMC should definitely recall. Should have a recall for, because it's, you know, it's 2014. It's not even that old of a truck, so it's something that they should engineer better for that reason. You know, you got all that refrigerant coming out of that. So we got it all out. It didn't take us too long, maybe like an hour or less than an hour, but we got it done. So we're gonna put the new one in, and once it's in, we're gonna show you how it looks. All right. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at where the condenser is located at. It's in front of the radiator, so it wasn't too bad of a job, pretty easy. It's just these bolts on the side right here, it's a pain in the ass. You really got to dig in here and get those. Once you get those out, it's all good, you can get that out. But basically we got it all apart, so all we got to do is just throw it back inside. You get the chance, if you have the same truck, you're having the same issue, just take the opportunity to clean up the radiator. There's a bunch of leaves, there'll probably be a bunch of dust, so just vacuum that up, and we're just gonna throw it back on now. All right guys, so we got the new condenser back in there. You guys can see it. Kind of hard to see, but it's in there, trust me, I wouldn't lie to you. All right, so we got the brace back on. You see it there installed. Gonna put the airbags back on, and it should be good. It wasn't that bad of a job, so I'm gonna break it down a little bit once I get everything set down, and just help you guys out. Whoever has a GMC or a Chevy that's similar engine as this one, 2014 once again, and I mean, if you have the tools, go ahead and do it. I mean, it's gonna save you a lot of money. You know, who the heck wants to spend over $800 to get this done? I mean, if you have the tools, you can get it definitely done. All you need is just socket, wrenches, and extensions, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll give you a little bit more detail on this job. All right guys, so we just finished up the truck right now. We went and got a new air filter. It was really dirty, so I recommended my brother to get a new one. So basically we got it all installed. All he has to do is just go get it recharged. We didn't do it. We didn't want to do it with it. He'd rather get it done with the machine, get it done properly, so it won't have any issues. So he's gonna get that done. But besides that, it wasn't that tough of a job. So we got that finished at least. So this truck's ready to go. Yep, 2014 GMC Sierra. It's ready to go. So just charge it up, and it should have cold AC again. Save them a lot of money going that route. It's a lot easier. So basically, if you want to save yourself some money, definitely do it by yourself. Go buy the parts. It's a lot better instead of you spending $1,000. It's a ridiculous amount of money for something that can be done within like 3 hours. If you're new at it, you'll probably take like 4 hours. If you have the tools, all you really need is sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and probably some picks just to take off the few clips. But besides that, it's very, very easy. So, just be patient. You can get it done. It's not too difficult. And my brother saved over $600 just doing that. Probably altogether he's gonna spend like $200 just for parts, $120 for the condenser, and then like probably like another $60–70 to recharge it. So it's $200 compared to $800. Do the math. Doesn't take a rocket science to figure that one out. But yeah, we got it done. So that'll be the quick video today. So you know, you can do it. Go ahead, get it done. Don't spend too much money on it. Just YouTube it. You'll find someone that has done it before, and you know, just save yourself some money. All right. So we'll see you next time.